Huge migration of people to new megacities, soaring skyscrapers and vast slums, ravenous appetite for fuel and food, unpredictable climate change, inadequate urban infrastructure, and all this in a world where urban population is growing by leaps and bounds. Urban areas are engines of economic growth. This has led to depletion of natural resources like water and land. Planned cities have a character with planned open spaces, enough parking facility, wide roads and green belts, unlike unplanned chaotic cities sprawling beyond control. The demand-supply shortage is a result of lack of vision and often leads to conflicting land use pattern. Green spaces play a pivotal role in groundwater replenishment, without which urban centers are turning warmer. Are we making concrete jungles? Here comes the need for an instrument for regulating urban growth: the master plan. Master plans are made to address this uncontrolled urban growth. It provides a framework for futuristic urban planning, ensuring adequate social and physical infrastructure for urban dwellers. A well-integrated approach is the vision behind these master plans. Master plan is a spatial document, but the irony of the situation is that only 15% of towns have statutory master plans. We do not have enough spatial database. Where do we prepare this database from? GIS. Geomatics making it simpler to use spatial data and analyze the data simultaneously. It is a useful tool for planning process with features helping in suitability analysis of various natural and man-made layers. National Urban Information System. It was launched with a mission of planned development covering 152 towns. It had 12 primary and 4 incorporated layers covering all geological, geomorphological and other important layers helpful in translating into a master plan. Bhuvan NUIS is a web-based application for geospatial data support for master plan preparation, both for urban planners and for the citizens. Bhuvan NUIS, along with other open source softwares, can be readily be used as a tool by planners for master plan preparation. There are various steps involved to be followed by an NUIS user. Step number 1. User login his or her town. Step number 2. User load Bhuvan and NUIS services into the QGIS environment. Step number 3. User prepare map by using open source software like QGIS tools and functionalities. Step number 4. User upload layers into Bhuvan server for approval of higher officers. One of the success stories using the Bhuvan NUIS database is Khammam town in the state of Andhra Pradesh.
The Hindu dated August 1, 2012. Khammam master plan becomes nationwide model. Other urban areas to follow similar procedure using satellite imagery. The Khammam master plan has become case study for other urban areas in country to go for advanced planning utilizing satellite imagery of National Remote Sensing Agency, maps supplied by Survey of India, and ground validation within the next 2 years, said Union Secretary for Urban Development Sudhir Krishna, announcing the renewed launch of the National Urban Information System initiated by the Union Ministry of Urban Development for preparing master plans utilizing the Bhuvan portal of NRSA. At a press conference, Mr. Sudhir Krishna said a toolkit too has been formulated for the same.